Welcome to this quick walkthrough for claiming token 6900 directly in Best Wallet. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly talk about gas fees. These are the costs required on a blockchain to process and validate any transaction, meaning you will have to pay a gas fee when claiming your token 6900 tokens. Due to the size of the token 6900 claim and expected demand, we anticipate a significant spike in gas fees. Because token 6900 is launching on Ethereum, you will need to pay the claim gas fee using ETH. So, to claim your tokens, make sure you have at least $10 worth of ETH in your wallet to cover this fee. You can easily buy ETH directly in Best Wallet or deposit it from an external wallet or exchange. Just go to your wallet's main screen and tap Buy or Receive to get started. It's also important to note that if you have staked token 6900, your tokens and rewards will unlock gradually over 30 days after launch. This means you won't be able to claim the full amount straight away on September 3rd at 2 p.m. Only a portion of your staked tokens becomes claimable each day. Don't worry if you don't unstake daily. At the end of the 30-day period, you'll be able to withdraw all of your staked tokens and rewards in one go. To withdraw, whether daily or all at once on October 3rd, simply head to the staking dashboard on the Token 6900 website. Now that you're ready, let's go through the claiming process in-app step by step. First, open your Best Wallet app. Select the wallet you used to buy token 6900, and then go to the Upcoming Tokens tab. Scroll down to the Claim Live section. Tap on Token 6900 to open the in-app claim screen. Here, you will see your claimable token 6900 balance as well as your stakeable balance. You will have two options, claim or claim and stake. Choosing claim and stake will claim your tokens, but then stake them for 30 days to earn staking rewards. Choosing just claim means your tokens will go straight to your wallet. Both options require paying a gas fee. Select your preferred option and double-check the details before tapping Submit. You will see a breakdown of how much you're claiming and how much your gas fee is. Tap Submit to complete the process. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient and don't try again. Once your transaction is complete, refresh your wallet, and your token 6900 tokens should appear automatically. If you don't see your new tokens, don't worry. You might need to enable or import token 6900 manually. Simply go to Manage Tokens, search for token 6900, enable it, or import it using the token 6900 contract address. We've added it to this video's description. And that's all it takes to claim token 6900 in Best Wallet. If you run into any issues during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to our team on Discord for support.